I use, left or right?
They both seem to be working all right, but the right one is the front and it stops you really quick, so be careful with that. This is what we do in the North Woods. The fire pit. DJ's home. Yeah, we're getting the fire going tonight.
We got a fire!
What you doing, Nick? What you doing to that stick there?
Trying to make it a little shorter. But now it's just the writing utensil.
The writing utensil, huh? You sending smoke signals?
Help! I want to make a smoker.
I don't know if you'll be able to. Look who showed up.
Oh, it falls down.
Hi, buddy.
Hi.
There's his buddy Nick.
Hi.
Helping his daddy, I think.
Hey, do you want to push me? You want to push me? Whoa!
Ah, did you push Nick?
Sit down!
Landed. You gotta land on your butt.
Landon, can you make it up this way? Good ball. Can you kick it?
Oh, no, this cheese.
Did you find a ball?
Oh,
Is it dirty?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's dirty.
Do you want me to grab it?
Do it.
You want to drop it in? Oh. Now are you going to grab it? Wink. Landon, look it. Oh.
Miss.
Here, back up.
Give me.
Hey, give me. Here. There.
Grandma, stop by.
Full of stuff right now. Oh, jump, jump.
Brought Landon a present. What'd you get, Landon? What are you doing?
Brought him something better this time, DJ.
Yeah. See that? Thank you.
Here, no problem.
Well, that'll work perfect for the sandbox.
Oh, yeah, leave it up. He's trying to put the sand in there.
They might have weighed the options.
Just
Alleyway
digging
to
away.
alleyway and then go from there. You recording me doing hard labor here?
I'm gonna send this to your old sergeant and say, look, he's still plugging away.
Yep.
He didn't give up. Did that come out of the Army? Nick, you got your new truck?
Yeah, I always used to wonder about that. Right. The E5s and
Oh, wow! Look at him go! Holy cow! Holy cow!
oh, Nick! Yeah. You had ripped a, yeah. And my gloves had a brown, like burn mark. Yeah. A leather burn
Great
mark.
grandma.
Yeah, just like
Holy
a grand.
cow.
Come here, bud.
Whoa.
Yeah. See? Hey, Steffi.
Steffi.
You're just standing around.
You might have to put it on the choke again. Oh. Move it over to the third spot. Hi, Steph. Nice to see you out of your room.
Yeah, I decided to be social.
Yay.
When do you go to work?
Oh, really? Yeah. Good. It's got a couple of days. Yeah.
No, I'm starting Monday on.
Wait. First one is choke, right?
All the way towards you, it should be.
I'll go next time.
Wait, all the way. Yeah, that's right.
Maybe it's out of gas. There you go. Needs to be one setting up. Where's Nick going, Landon?